Patter cake baker's man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. It's so yummy to have a delicious cake, and we all act sufficiently to tame our hunger. Baking a cake and decorating it nicely is an art. The people who are masters in this art are known as bakers. When you try to bake a cake by yourself, it becomes a fun also. Hence, we may say that cake means cheering and not enjoyment. Here we are going to present the little chefs of pre-primary of Stonewall School having fun by decorating and sharing cake with everyone. Let's encourage them with a round of applause.
You are so dear. You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing 3 songs to you because you are so dear.